Whether we realize it or not, determiners are an integral part of our communication. Be it a normal conversation, a prepared speech, or any piece of writing, determiners automatically find their place in our communication. In this lesson and the following ones, I'll familiarize you with the world of determiners. We will undertake a detailed study of determiners and learn to use them correctly and effortlessly. Friends, my name is Hemant Singh Rana and you're watching Enliven English, making the language entertaining, lively and functional. So let's get started. So what are determiners? Determiners are the words that introduce, identify or specify nouns. They specify nouns in terms of number, definiteness and proximity. A determiner exists because of a noun. If there is no noun, there is no determiner. Let's see this relationship. A book, this book, your book, each book, 5 books, several books, which book. All words in green before noun book are determiners. If you look closely, the word book is a general noun. However, when we say this book, that book or your book, we make it specific or determine its limit. And when we say 5 books or several books, we quantify them. There are many more determiners that we will study during the course of this and coming lessons. With this, we can say that determiners have primarily 2 functions, that of referring and quantifying. When we say referring, it means determiners tell us who or what the noun is pointing to or talking about. Determiners in this case establish a relationship of proximity and definiteness. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. Your notebook is on the table. Here, your refers to something which belongs to the listener. Article the refers to something the speaker and the listener can both identify, as they already have knowledge about it. Our children must attend this class. Here again, our refers to children and specifies who they belong to. This establishes the proximity and definiteness. The players are in that stadium. Article the means the noun refers to something we are already familiar with, and that refers to something not close in proximity and further away. I hope you understand the first aspect, that determiners are placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. The second function that determiners perform is that of quantifying. Quantifying means showing us how much or how many of something there is. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. We have bought enough rations for the week. Enough means a quantity that is sufficient or adequate. There's little milk left in the fridge. Little means a non-specific small quantity. I have 4 pens and 3 books. 4 and 3 are specific number of quantity of something. As we know what determiners are and what their function is, it's time to know their types and categories under which they fall. Determiners fall into 8 broad categories, which are articles, a, and the. Demonstratives, this, that, these, those, and such. Possessives, my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Distributors, each, every, all, both, half, either, and neither. Quantifiers, all, many, few, some, any, no, much, little, enough, a lot of, lots of, and so on. Expressions of number: several, many, any, no, few, enough, more, most, a number of, 1, 100, first, last, and so on. Interrogatives: what, which, and whose. Exclamators: what and such. So friends, this was a small and crisp introduction to determiners, their functions and various categories. In the next lesson, we'll undertake a detailed study of determiners with demonstratives, possessives and distributives. I'll be back with you soon. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Goodbye.